Hello everyone. Now some important problem. Question is find the value of, note down. Please note down the question. Find the values of A and B so that 1 and 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. Are the zeros of the polynomial. Polynomial is, let, now solution, let, this is the polynomial Px. Let Px is equal to x cube minus 10x square plus ax plus b. Let Px is equal to x cube minus 10x square plus ax plus b. Now next line wrote down as 1 and 2, as 1 and 2. क्या लिखेंगे? As 1 and 2 are the zeros of polynomial Px. 1 and 2 are the zeros of polynomial x. So, since 1 and 2 are the zero of the polynomial, so what we will do? If 1 is a zero of the polynomial, so P1 is equal to 0, and 2 is a zero of the polynomial, so P2 is equal to 0. Last class में हमने ये डिस्कस किया था कि zero of the polynomial means for a particular value of variable, the value of polynomial must be equal to 0. So as 1 and 2 are the zero of the polynomial, therefore first we have to calculate value of P1, then calculate P2 and put it both is equal to 0. So what is P1? In place of x, put it 1. So 1 cube, then unknown minus 10 x square 1 whole square plus a. Here a and b just like a pipe, number 1 and 2 into 1 plus b, and it must be equal to 0. Value of P1 and P2 equal to 0 because it is the zeros of the polynomial. So 1 cube is equal to 1 minus square of 1 is 10, it become 10 plus a into 1, a plus b is equal to 0, or 10 minus 1 is minus 9. So a plus b minus 9 is equal to 0. A plus b minus 9 is equal to 0. This implies a plus b is equal to 9. Say this is equation number 1. Say a plus b equal to 9. Okay. समझ में आ रहा ना हमको? चलो अब P2 मेरे साथ बताना. In place of x, what we write down? 2. So 2 whole cube minus 10 into 2 whole square plus a into 2 plus b. So is equal to 2 cube is 8. Minus 2 square is 4, multiply by 10, 40 plus 2a plus b. This implies इज इक्वल टू 0 करना है, पॉलिनोमियल है। तो माइनस में से 8 -32 गुड, -32 प्लस 2a प्लस b इक्वल टू 0। दिस implies 2a plus b is equal to 32, equation number 2। अब solve these two equation, get the value of a and b। कैसे करेंगे देख लें। देखिए our equation 1 is a plus b equal to 9, equation 2 is 2a plus b equal to 32। तो हम लिखेंगे subtracting equation 1 by equation 2। note down, subtracting equation 1 from equation 2 we get, so 2a plus b is equal to 32, a plus b is equal to 9। subtract these two equation, this is your equation number 2, this is your equation number 1। now when subtract it, the sign of the a plus b equal to 9 will change, that 2a minus a is equal to a and b minus b cancel out, equal to 32 minus 9 23। तो value of a is 23। कितना आ गया की वैल्यू 23। now put it this value of a in this equation number 1, we get the value of t। substituting the value of a in equation number 1, we get the value of a in equation number 1। so in place of a I write down, I can write 23 plus b is equal to 9। this implies b is equal to 9 minus 23 and 9 minus 23 कितना होगा बताइए। गुड, वेरी गुड, इज इक्वल टू माइनस 14 14 राइट। तो हेंस, तो इसके बाद आंसर लिख लीजिए आप, हेंस a is equal to 23 and b is equal to minus 14, b is equal to minus 14। Thank you very much।